Doro Wat is a spicy chicken stew.
And it's the national dish of Ethiopia.
For this dish, you need chicken, berbere, onions, garlic, ginger, berbere, lemon juice, butter, chicken broth, eggs, salt, white wine, and honey. The measurements for this recipe are in the description box below.
One of the main ingredients you're going to need for this dish is an Ethiopian spice mix called berbere. We made this recipe ourselves. I'm going to link it in the comment section below so you can check that out. Another thing you're going to need for your dish is the Ethiopian spice butter. This is a homemade recipe. This will also be linked in the comment section below.
Chop up your onions. Peel and mince your fresh ginger. Peel and mince your fresh garlic.
Okay, we've got 6 pounds of chicken. This is a family style recipe. A lot of our Ethiopian recipes are family style portions. So we've got 6 pounds. There's some chicken thighs, chicken legs. We like the dark meat for the chicken. You can use chicken breast if you like, whatever cut of chicken you want for your Doro Wat. Okay, let's get this marinating in some fresh lemon juice.
Squeeze fresh lemon juice. Pour the fresh lemon juice over your chicken.
This is going to sit out at room temperature for 30 minutes. You want to make sure that every piece of chicken's got some lemon juice on it, so I like to just massage it around a little bit, make sure it's coated well.
We're going to start with sauteing our onions in the Ethiopian butter.
Okay, we're going to put this on low heat. We're going to cover it and let it simmer for 45 minutes.
For this dish, you need boiled eggs. While your onions are simmering, put your eggs in a pot and boil them until hard. Next, add in your ginger and garlic. Cover and cook for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 20 minutes of sauteing your onions, garlic, and ginger, add in your butter. We're adding more butter, and then your berbere spice. Mix well. After stirring really well, turn it on low heat, cover, and let it cook for another 30 minutes, stirring occasionally.
What is that?
It's onions that have been sauteing
They look yummy.
for a while now. It's got berbere spice on it. Does it smell good? We're about ready to put the chicken in. Okay, here, look.
That's really good.
We're about to add the chicken in. You wanna watch? Okay. Add the chicken in here.
Want me to get this close?
No, it's the chicken.
Next step is to add your remaining ingredients. White wine, honey, add chicken broth, salt, and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 45 minutes.
Okay, we're going to add our eggs to our Doro Wat. Just going to drop them in. Drop them in the broth here and let them sit. They'll be good for tomorrow. We'll just give them a little home down here in this broth. Chicken out of the way. There we go. all done. We've added the eggs. They're going to sit in this broth and marinate, and they'll be delicious for tomorrow.